Hey everyone, and welcome to this subscriber question. This subscriber question was brought to us by a subscriber either on one of the different social media platforms. I completely lost my list of names next to the actual questions that people ask, so I've been trying to find out who those people are that asked the question so I can give them credit for that question, but unfortunately I don't have that. So we're gonna have to just stick to answering the question. And the question from this subscriber is, are man-made vitamins inferior to natural vitamins? And the answer is largely no. While food technologists are still improving in terms of trying to create these different molecules, essentially what we do is we take the natural compound and we try and manipulate the chemical structure so that it still fulfills its role, but it could have, for example, better bioavailability, so it's absorbed easier, it's metabolized easier. You need lower doses of it because it becomes more potent, or you need higher doses of it in comparison to or in conjunction with other vitamins and other minerals and other foods, or it becomes more bioavailable in a situation in which you have no fat content, if you're talking about a fat soluble vitamin. So it's really context dependent, but we're getting to a point where the man-made vitamins are superior in pretty much every way, and of course this is always going to be context dependent, to natural vitamins. And a really good example of this is folate with folic acid. So folate is what's naturally found, and folic acid is what we've created, what we've synthesized, how we've chemically restructured it to be more potent at a lower, essentially having to take less of it but have it be more potent, or have it be more bioavailable. So the answer is, I think for the most part, the answer is no, man-made vitamins are not inferior. However, it's getting more and more to be absolutely, in almost every case, no, because man-made vitamins are just becoming that much better. And it might sound scary, I just want a quick touch on this. It might sound scary to think that we're chemically altering all these different things, but we're testing this rigorously and over and over and over again to make sure that it has the exact same effect as a natural vitamin. There's no distinction except for the fact that it adds the added benefit of having greater absorption, or whatever benefit it's supposed to be chemically modified to do. So with that said, that's where I'll leave that, and I'll have another poll up for you guys to vote on whatever question you want answered, as well as feel free to comment any other questions that you might have. And with that said, I hope that I have the pleasure of speaking with you next time. Have a good one, guys. See ya.